Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I'm gonna do a workout with you that is not only gonna help you feel more confident, but also help you look thinner, like you lost 10 pounds in less than 5 minutes. And I know I'm always telling you there's no quick fix, there's not like a magic pill that can change everything right away, which is true, but sometimes there's little things that you can do that will make a huge difference and make you look and feel totally different really quickly, while you continue to make that progress over time. Most of you guys know that weight is something that I struggled with my entire life until I got to that point where I was like, enough is enough. I need to make a change. And I started really making those lifestyle changes and I lost 45 pounds. Like, I struggled majorly throughout my entire life and I felt insecure, unconfident, and that can really impact how you carry yourself, like throughout the day, how you feel about yourself. And it really affects like your entire posture and your body language. And that can be one of the most powerful tools that you already have right in your back pocket that can change everything in an instant. It's kind of like that whole like smile theory, right? Like if you're not feeling great and you just smile and kind of fake it till you make it, you actually will start feeling happier and better. It's the same thing. So as you're working on being more confident, losing some weight, getting more fit and strong and healthy, if you start carrying yourself like you know you are worth it and worthy, which you are, it'll start to happen. So I'm gonna show you different ways to correct your posture throughout the day that'll help you stand a little bit taller, put that smile on your face, and exercises that are gonna strengthen your body so that you can hold that posture all the time. If you guys watch my fall morning routine, you know that I talked all about how this time of year things get real crazy, like our schedules get packed, you have midterms, school, holidays, family, all sorts of things that can really stress you out. So all month long, I'm gonna be bringing you new videos, workouts, and vlogs that are gonna be focused on anti-anxiety, de-stressing, and helping you feel amazing. Starting right now with this first video to help take that stress away so you can feel great. If you're ready, sweat the thumbs up and let's do this. All right, so my posture problem started pretty young. I was in like 5th grade, the first kid in my class to get boobs, and they like popped up overnight like giant C cup. Really uncomfortable when you're that young. So as a defense mechanism, I learned to roll my shoulders forward and kind of like creep like this and try to cover myself. And really anytime you are like stressed out, you're not confident, you're insecure, our bodies kind of do that naturally. As I got older and I continued to gain more weight and didn't feel like secure and confident in who I was, I did that more and more. So I ended up kind of like this, which is the #1 mistake most people make. So they tuck the pelvic, they roll the shoulders, and we end up with this really bad posture. So the first thing that you need to do is learn to stick your booty out a little bit. So I don't want you like totally arching your back, but you wanna pop your booty out and then kind of just relax so it's a little bit more neutral, keeping your core nice and tight. You're gonna stack your rib cage right over your hips so that they're just above that pelvis. Everything is stacked nice. Zip the rib cage together, pull the belly in. And then the last thing you wanna do is stand tall, be a pineapple, right? Stand tall, wear your crown. So the crown of the head reaches toward the sky, your shoulders pull back and down. You're gonna engage through the lats, these lower lats here, pulling them down into your back pockets, and just stack everything nice and tall. So you should feel relaxed, you should be able to move around, but you should feel strong and engaged the entire time. Able to breathe, move, but feeling like you're standing tall, so opening up through the chest. What happens when you spend too much time here is you end up with weak muscles in the front, like really tight muscles through your chest, weak muscles in your back, and you need to work on strengthening those back muscles and opening up through the chest. So those are the moves I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna start down on the floor. So come all the way onto your belly. And from here, I want you to relax for a moment, but then you're going to squeeze your booty nice and tight, engage through the thighs, and I want you to bring your thumbs up toward the sky. So your head is relaxed, neutral, spine looking down. You're gonna tap and lift, tap and lift. So this is gonna start to work into the back, into your rhomboids, your lats, and really help with this posture. So I do about 15 here. And then from here, keeping the glutes engaged, you're gonna lift up and bring your thumbs back behind you, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Reach out and squeeze. Out and squeeze. The key really is to hold on that squeeze. Squeeze and lift. Again, doing about 15 of these to really strengthen that back. Another great move is to come onto your back And this is more about strengthening those weak muscles in your neck. So all the way on your back, hands just neutral at your side. You're going to lay here. I want your gaze to be straight up. Tuck your chin slightly. Imagine you have a tennis ball there, or even if you have one at home, grab a tennis ball, put it right there. And then don't move your chin, but lift your head just off the mat and hold. Squeeze your neck, the front. You're gonna really feel it up here, especially if you have that forward tilt in your head or the roll in your shoulders. Lower back down. Exhale, hold. Lower back down. And do this about 15 times as well. Up and down. And these are moves I try to do every single day. The last one is gonna help again, strengthen the back, open the chest. So bring your hands at your side. It's a little reverse bridge. So from here, you're gonna lift your hips. It's easy to wanna stay here, but you're gonna have to push and pull your shoulders back behind you. And then tuck your chin in. Lift your chest, pull the shoulders back, tuck the chin in. If this is challenging, that means that you're real weak and tight. So really lift and hold, then lower back down. This is something I'm still working on all the time. Lift it up and lower back down. You're gonna kind of look funny doing this, so I do it in my room by myself before bed. Lift it up one more time. Really tuck that chin again. Imagine you have that tennis ball or grab it and lower it back down. All right, so again, if you notice that you have that forward head, if it's leaning forward, if your shoulders roll forward a lot, these moves are gonna be hard, especially the one where you're on your back lifting your neck and the one that we just did, that reverse bridge. They're gonna be hard at first, but that's okay. They are gonna help you feel so much better. You're gonna start strengthening through those neck muscles. Again, if you're stressed out at work and you're like, working away like a crazy person or studying, do these, take a break, and they're gonna help you de-stress, get rid of some of that anxiety, feel so much better. And as you start walking taller, having that good posture, you literally will look like you've lost tons of pounds, and it is such a good feeling. All right, guys, so I gave you the tips for how to stand tall and have that posture look really amazing. And if you remember those, if you check back in with your body every single day, you will look thinner right away, because when you're like this, everything kind of like crinkles together. But when you stand tall, it elongates your body, it elongates your muscle, and you're able to look thinner, and you feel more confident, and you can walk into a room knowing that you feel amazing. I want you to do those 4 exercises every single day, either right before bed or first thing in the morning when you wake up. Do about 15 reps of each. You are going to feel it, and it will really help you so that every day when you want to have that nice posture, your muscles already know exactly what to do. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next week for another amazing workout. Bye.